Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2078 code? This code means the intake manifold tuning valve position sensor signal on bank 1 is intermittent or unstable. If ignored, it can cause inconsistent engine performance and airflow control problems. P2078 stands for Intake Manifold Tuning Valve Position Sensor, Switch Circuit Intermittent, Bank 1. In simple terms, the ECU is receiving an unstable signal from the intake manifold runner position sensor due to loose wiring, sensor failure, or actuator issues. Common symptoms include check engine light, inconsistent acceleration, engine hesitation, fluctuating power, and poor fuel economy. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The intake manifold tuning valve position sensor is mounted on the intake manifold on bank 1 side of the engine. It is connected to the runner control actuator and linkage system. The intake manifold is located on top of the engine cylinder head near the throttle body. The wiring harness runs from the sensor and actuator to the ECU in the engine bay. For quick diagnosis, start by scanning live data and monitoring the intake runner position signal for fluctuations. Then inspect the wiring harness for loose connections, broken wires, or connector damage. Check the actuator motor and linkage for sticking or wear. Clean carbon deposits inside the intake manifold if airflow flaps are restricted. If the signal remains unstable, the position sensor or actuator assembly may need replacement. Finally, repair wiring faults, replace defective components if necessary, clear the code, and perform a complete road test. Fixing P2078 will restore stable airflow control and smooth engine performance.